Hi, this is Miss Bowen from Pep Practice. We have an ability test workshop coming up on April 10th, 2021. Students will be signed up to our platform where they will access a mock ability test. This test will be for 40 questions similar to the actual ability test. Students will also be coached on how to sit the actual examination. The cost to attend the workshop is $2,500. You can pay online on the website at www.peppractice.online. You can also pay via bank transfer, or you can pay at 51 Duke Street, downtown Kingston. What are you waiting for? Use this time wisely while you're locked down to leverage the time and prepare for the examination. If you need further information on the workshop, you can call 876-492-7169, or you can send us a WhatsApp message, or you can reach out to us on all the social media platforms at Pep Practice.